I'm in a giant yo-yo. Good morning, guys. It's very sunny outside and hot. We're going to Blizzard Beach today. Stay hydrated, folks. We made it to Blizzard Beach. For Florida, there's a lot of snow here. Look at all that snow.
In Florida?
You guys are in a little pouch, so I have no idea if y'all can hear me.
Since when are you Southern? Y'all, I'm swimming.
Okay, Abby, this is for you. We finally found tubes. We went on another ride that I'll show you guys later, I pinky promise, because it was really fun. And then now Mom and Dad are grabbing lunch. I have the hiccups. We just ate. Ew, my hair is not it right now. But we just ate and now we're gonna go reapply, and then Mom and I
took my picture with Lucy. Katie is scared.
I'll put the picture like right there.
Okay.
But now Mom and I are going on Summit Plummet, which is the really big one. The one we're gonna go on is all the way up there. Okay guys, I just went on that. I'm shaking from it still. But I just went on that big one that I showed you guys earlier. I'll put a picture of it right there. Sadly, we did not get it on video, but Mom can tell you that I did it because Mom did it too. She did not like it though. She did not like it, but I loved it! Mom and I just went on some more water slides and we lost Dad and Matt. I don't know where they went. Okay, so now we're going on a family ride that we went on earlier, but we have to take the ski lift to go on it. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for Mom and Dad to join us in the ski lift. Bye. We're on the ski lift on our way up, and I'll show you the view we have. This is our view.
I'm the best view.
We went on that one. I can't zoom in. They're there. Say hi. Here we go. Woo! Going down backwards. Mom, I don't even know if you're in the shot. I don't like going back. Did you guys like it?
That was fun.
Dad, did you like it? Matthew, what about you?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
I loved it. We're now leaving Blizzard Beach, and we got Joffrey's coffee. It's the best coffee ever. So yeah, now we're going to dinner in Disney Springs.
Hello.
We're getting on the bus ride to Disney Springs. Time for dinner. Are you hungry?
Getting there.
Are you hungry? Me too. It's raining. See? Rain. We're all waiting under here. I'm gonna wait until there's the thunder crack. I don't like this. Not one bit.
Let's wait 5 minutes.
We ended up walking because we don't have enough time to wait for the next bus. In the meanwhile, there's a volcano exploding. Mom. Sing it, boys, sing it. How's your food?
It's hot.
What do you think of yours, Matt?
Now, it is really good. But in the words of the famous actor Will Smith, ah, that's hot. That's hot.
Mom does not want to give her opinion. It is currently pouring and thunder and lightninging in Disney Springs, and we got lost and we didn't know where to find the bus, but we found it. I do not like the thunder. We made it onto the bus.